How do we deliver experiential learning in a way that works for today's LPP candidates? We make innovative use of digital tools to bring a new level of sophistication and authenticity to problem-based learning. The settings are virtual, but the timelines and tasks are very real. From day one, both during the 3 in-person weeks at and as candidates begin working in their assigned virtual firms, they receive practical guidance and modeling to serve as a foundation for their future legal practice. Candidates are immediately and actively engaged in simulated cases and steered to complete tasks that will develop essential lawyering skills, such as drafting, communication, negotiation, and advocacy. While they may be working at a distance, candidates connect and engage in discourse with peers, mentors, and their instructors using online social and collaborative communication tools. This creates deeper and richer learning experiences that extend beyond traditional lecture halls. The communication structure replicates the organization and workplace culture of a legal environment. Face-to-face and live-stream presentations by experienced practitioners, along with supporting materials such as guides and precedents, serve as a foundational content for each module of the program. The practitioners offer strategies as well as problem-solving frameworks and lay out ethical and practice considerations to help candidates cope with the unknown elements that arise in each module. Online delivery of many of these items make it easy for candidates to review and analyze over and over again. As a group, LPP candidates receive expert direction on the overall approach to various files, but each candidate may consult with an assigned lawyer mentor for customized guidance. Direction can be sought in a number of ways, for example, email and WebEx, to clarify sensitive and challenging questions, such as ethical decision-making and other complexities of legal practice. Each new module represents a new client file. Acting in their virtual firms, candidates are expected to undertake key elements of practice management, such as conflict checks and docketing. These systems are set up through the use of digitized templates, while other processes of practice come to life through rich media such as audio, video, and interactive software. All client files are realistic virtual scenarios, providing candidates with multiple opportunities for the development of lawyering skills. For each task, candidates must act and react based on the response of the client, the opposing law firm, and information obtained through due diligence. Negotiation, interpersonal communication, teamwork, and conflict resolution skills are experienced through various online tools. These online tools and virtual scenarios enhance and support the traditional and proven methods of experiential learning, such as mock trials and simulated in-person interviews. Candidates are assessed on every significant task as they make their way through the program. They are evaluated as individuals and as firms, and are provided with feedback that forms the basis of their assessment, while assisting them to critique and reflect on their own learning experience. Candidates are trained to hit the ground running when they join a work placement, where they will continue to enhance their skills and develop further professional networks and experiences. Placements are available across a broad range of legal settings throughout Ontario, from major institutions, large and small firms, specialty boutiques, governments, legal clinics, and sole practices. The practice of law is dynamic and demands myriad skills. The LPP is innovative, entrepreneurial, and experiential. Through actively undertaking the tasks of legal practice, responding in real time to authentic events, collaborating in virtual firms with professional responsibilities, accessing the guidance of lawyer mentors, and participating in engaging work placements, LPP candidates are equipped with a bridge that they need to transition from full-time scholars to confident and competent professionals.